What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at Volume DSP. Very interesting. So what you can see, I am in the Volume dashboard right now. I just enabled the DSP and we're going to have a look. So you have to click on buy traffic and the DSP settings will open. So I've never seen this before. I'm going to walk you through it, Volume DSP tutorial, and let's have a look at what we're going to encounter here. So I see daily bid request, inventory list, and audience segments at the top. Nothing else. A search bar, groupings, ad exchange. It has some different options here than on the same ones. So you can do a drill down kind of. There's filters, native, banner, app, site, desktop, mobile, tablet. You can add other filters. What can we add? Oh, here we go. Again, the same list as the groupings. Then page 1 of 1, so ad exchanges that are connected to, let's do native. Is it going to change? Yes. Outbrain, AdMixer, Taboola, My 6 Cents, Run Native, Live Intent, MJet, Mobfox, MobPub, Polymorph, Ref Content, Nativo, Power Inbox, Improv Digital, AdNow, Engage, yeah, Smado, Etchalike, Quantum, WordPress, TribeLift, Shatter. All right. With a total of bid request 4.7 billion. That's a lot. So average price CPM last 30 days and the average bid floor. So that would be the minimum, median. All right. So I want to see Outbrain and Taboola. Ooh, Taboola is a lot higher apparently than Outbrain. Outbrain has way more bid requests as well. And I want to see MJet. And then ref content. All right. So what are we actually doing? Let's have a look at the banners then. So that's native. Oh, now it's native and banner. This is just banner. Oh, then we go. Very small list. Still significant volume. App. No banner, but app. All right, good amount. And then site. Still loading. All good so far, all good. All right, so here you can filter based on 1,000, 500, 200, 150. You can make charge, export CSV, lists, but we're going to make a new DSP campaign. In order to run your DSP campaign, you need to up your balance, which is fine. We're not going to do that. Banner or native? Recommend? Well, let's go with the recommendation then. Native it is. Campaign status, active, paused. Draft mode, approval, workspace, initial, volume DSP, test 1. Destination URL, www.google.com. Let's start with the HTTPS. Cool. And you can see there's a large variety of tokens available that you can use in DSP. Advertiser domain required. Enter the top domain of promote advertiser product or service. This domain cannot be prefixes such as www, App Store. If you promote Candy Crush app, the correct advertiser domain would be king.com. All right. Let's go with just google.com so we can continue. All right. Like this. Payout, CPM, CPV, CPA, CPA dynamic, cost plus. Let's just see. All right, this option would define a revenue model of your campaign. The default is CPA dynamic, which takes the conversion value from the postback or pixel. For CPM and the price 1,000 impressions, and for CPV add a price per visit, I would say. For CPA fixed price, add a payout value for the conversion. For cost plus, enter the percentage markup on top of the media cost. Very interesting. We're going to go with CPA dynamic, frequency capping, 3 per day. Let's go. Yeah, let's just keep that all the same. Show more time settings. You can day part, I guess, or you can do schedule run. All right, let's go into targeting. What are we going to do? We're going to run the United States. In this test case, inventory targeting, ad exchanges. Ooh. Auction type, second price, first price, traffic type, mobile. Whoa, this is interesting. I like to see this kind of stuff. Top performing verticals. I don't know what this means. First price, second price. Okay, let's just, can we add all of them? Or does it generally? Oh, yeah, you have to target them one by one. All right, let's just only do, let's see, Outbrain. All right, e-commerce, hobby, finance, gaming, and technology. Source type, all, or web, or in-app. Let's do all. Placement, control, you can make a whitelist or a blacklist as usual. Show inventory settings. Okay. Create retargeting list, viewers, visitors, converters. That's pretty cool. IP address, deal ID. Lots of information. Operating systems, all of them, or you can limit some. We're going to run all. Connection type, Wi-Fi, mobile 3G. Mobile carriers, which is obviously very interesting. And then you can use other rules for the optimization. Next. All right, max bid. Required, this is the maximum bid. Here, it will give you the reach. So let's see 0.1. Oh, okay, 0.2 is the minimum. So let's do 0.5. Is it going to show us the bid reach? It's not changing. All right, let's do 0.55. Total budget, 100. Unlimited, no, 100. Right, daily budget, 20. Must be bigger than 50. All right, 50. Why does this not work? Bid recommendation here. Well, I don't see any bid recommendation, but whatever. Daily site, unlimited, spend strategy, ASAP, smooth. We don't want to spend it all at once. We want the traffic to come in smoothly. Upload creatives, and then you press save. That's it. Very easy. Yes, close form. And then we're going to look at the banner. I would say it's almost the same. Yes, so the initial flow is the same. Targeting. Right here, you have to target the devices. But other than that, it's pretty much the same, right? Then the creatives are different, obviously. So with DSP, what happens, it is very simple. Volume DSP allows you to create your campaigns from within Volume. Instead of combining, let's say, Outbrain and Volume, Taboola and Volume, Ref Content and Volume for your native ad strategies, now everything is into one. Will it work better? Probably, else they wouldn't have run it, else they wouldn't have such an insane amount of bid requests, right? This shows that more and more media platforms, traffic exchanges are interested in working with Volume because they have quite a big list already. Some of the biggest players have joined the Volume DSP. Very, very interesting. I think big things are going to happen in the future with Volume DSP. And if you want to be a part of it, you can sign up for Volume with the link in the description. Grab your big discount and lock that in. Check out Volume DSP aside from the tracker. If you have any questions about Volume DSP, please leave them down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.